Look into my eyes and breathe. Look into my eyes and breathe. Look into my eyes and breathe. Stop and take a breath, you see. Look into my eyes and breathe. Breath is life, breath is life. I am the eye of the beholder, give the breath a sight. I'm giving love and light, and positive vibes. We appreciate your attention, amend the vibrations, elevating the nations. Uniting left brain and right brain. I'm so insane. Download is coming soon. Share this shit up. Let's get a trinity. 3 energies, 3 entities intertwined in the mind, body, and the spine. So listen, I'm just being so divine. I'm just suave. I just stop and breathe. Let's stop and breathe. Let's stop and breathe. Invite some people in this open mic. Let's stop and breathe. Giving love, give them sight. Oh yeah, forgot. We still got Etsy's for sale. We got some Etsy for sales, yeah. Feel the wings expand. I let the wings span. I'm like LeBron James. Yes, I'm the king. I eat this green eggs and Sam. I am. This is a dream. Building out our team. What up, MJ? What up, Kobe? Maya Martin 2 channel session. This is Edgar Casey with a different hue. Don't get confused. What up, Huey P? Feel your vibe, see. I don't mess with the coke, the meth, or the powder, see. I like the mushrooms, acid, and the weed. Trees and the keys, and the fucking ladies. So, my addictions, my afflictions, I see them well. Been to hell a couple of times, so I breathe. Oh, we got that Trinity. Divine energy, what up Terry and your Trinity, sending love and light to D, said, breath is life. Y'all heard my addictions? Weed, sex, knowledge, wisdoms, acid, mushrooms, I fucks with those. Psychedelic shit, new shit. So listen, I'm gonna read my, I got a poem, a download, a creative moment. Shout out to Elite Motivation 411, holistic business shit on the camera. Shout out to Gaia World Consulting. For those that don't know, Gaia World Consulting is a business that we partnered and launched. We partnered and launched it with Terry, aka Trinity. Also, shout out to the Gratitude Stones. And these are another product and service that we create. These open mics, these platforms, your ability to create in these energies right now is important. Full moon shit. What up, Luna? I was inspired by Mahatma spirit writing. I write every day. Like, I need y'all to know, I write every fucking day. Like, I'm always in my notebook. I just got 2 fucking new notebooks that I'm excited to jump into. Like, I'm so excited to jump into them. And I did a spirit writing today. It's called Gratitude and Appreciation. Gratitude and Appreciation. You gonna hold it for me? It's called Gratitude and Appreciation. This has been a tremendously exciting live stream, right? We are so happy and grateful now that the divine tools are available to us. Along with the divine squad up, bloodline tribe mates up, ancestors, ascended masters, that's ancestors with the AHS, cause hallelujah. Drop the ER, cause our ancestors are speaking through you. Archangels and galactic leaders, masters with the AH, ascended masters, teaching us how to be great. Galactic leaders, 127 of them to be exact. We call upon you now. Bina, Bina, Krishna, Krishna, Hogma, Hogma. We call upon you now to raise the frequencies of our environment, frequencies, energies, and vibrations as the light codes downloads, as our remembrance happens every second we stay aligned. Remembrance happens every second we stay aligned. Who are we? That's the me turned upside down, integrated with the infinite I. But who are we and why are we remembering any of these moments in time? Why? They mean a ton as we breathed. Hold it. Hold it. And releasing with the intentions of letting go of outdated coding and programs that no longer serve this now mission and moment. Let's take another breath. This has been so divine as our capacity has increased with time, and our bits going from 126 to 156 to 227 to 357 with the amount of conscious capacity that we get. The light codes shine bright with sacred symbols and numbers with the AH. For many present, past, and future moments, we are pleased in remembering who we are, as we are the collective consciousness of those tuned into our station. 127.1, 199.6, 369.99 stations and frequencies. We are a collective of all the we's that have remembered of our Akashic records, the bloodlines, as we create communities of divine reflections. I need y'all to understand what I just said there. We have remembered of the Akashic bloodlines as we create communities of the divine reflections tuned into the realizations of time, space, elements, matter, force, gravity, frequencies, energies, and vibrations. As Tesla said, if you want to understand the universe, study frequencies, energies, and vibrations. And the sacred energy exchanges. Allowing divine messages to unfold as always has always been the objective, as we have remembered our light and our shadow codes balance, as we appreciate the upgrades and the entanglements of the divine flow and the divine force. May the force be with you. The timing, the spaciousness, silence, as the elements of water, fire, ether, water, fire, earth, air, ether, as the elements in the mattahs have the attractions of your electromagnetic pull of the thoughts, feelings, emotions, and vibrations, and text messages and comments that you put there, as they come, as we blessed and abundantly we breathe. And y'all catch this free flow as we appreciate the angels. Better she better, ooh. Better she better, ooh. Better she better, Elohim. In the beginning, my God, he created everything, like the sun and the moon and the winter coming soon. So my breath feels like I am a Looney Tune. Make you giggle, make your toes curl and make you wiggle. Oh, you're my favorite girl, your daddy's number one. Ooh, Daddy's number one. I can see me in you. I see your hue. It's so not confusing. It gives me clarity. Cause I love your breath and the way that you're a rarity. You are angel in the sky. You the apple in my pie. You're the dot in my eye. So I know why. Coffee and cake and crimpets too. Got me feeling ooh, so special. Happy Valentine's Day with the X and O's. I'm giving you kisses, turning the hoes into the trolls. Or those that know that a hoe is me. I got hoe frequency, I got hoe energy, helping others excel. I do it very well. So the acronyms from heaven and they from hell. I'm balanced, my light and dark. It overcome all the challenge. I give that spark, that Noah's Ark. I'm selling seeds, I'm giving you degrees of me. Who are you? Who are you? I'm the we see. I'm a frequency, I'm an energy. I'm a light cold being. You like the sun over my shoulder. I'm the son of man, the son of woman. I'm divine energy put in that left hand and right hand. Together, namaste, man. The God in me sees the God in you. Don't get confused. Say you look into my eyes. Said the apple of my pie. American pie, American gangster. I'm an OG, so no more time for wanksters. No fake love, just as true love. Here, I need true hugs. Here, I need true love. Here, I love my mom and my dad. That's Mother Earth and Father Time. Damn, I'm so aligned. Damn, alignment is my assignment, and that's my guide. I believe in Jah, Allah, Bina, better sheep, better. I told you in the beginning, my God created everything. But before the words and the sounds, there was silence. Listen, it's no time to get mad. We got our own TV station. We in 130 countries. There's always someone listening, even if it's just the wind or the water or the earth or the mothers or the sons and the daughters. Speak your truth. Oh yeah, don't forget to get your gratitude stones. Etsy shit. Yeah.